Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So I am coming along with an unboxing today. So I have this new company. I've never heard of it, and they reached out to me and wanted to see if I would like to do a cooperation with them. And I said, I looked at their website and I've said, of course I would. They have dies. They have so many items in there. I will link that. It's called Lifescraft, and I will link it down on the description below so you guys can go over and check it out. And I believe there is also a discount code, so if you guys are interested, you guys can use my discount code and of course get an extra percentage off. I will link all the items that I received down on the description below. Check them out, you guys. They have amazing prices, and of course I was so excited because I saw some amazing dies. Look at you guys. This is the cutest. Oh my gosh. You guys, if you guys know me, you guys know that I love envelopes. I love boxes. So I saw this envelope and I thought it was so cute. I can't wait to work with it. And then I also saw this one right here. And this is a doily. It's a doily die, but it's a bag topper. There you go. So that's so cute. So you can either use it as a doily or you could just use it as just a bag topper. So I can't wait to use this one. And this one is another beautiful die, and this one has flowers, and let me see. So you can use this, or you can make your flowers and you could just make it into a pocket if you like, or you can also make it into a frame. So can't wait to work with this, and I love the flowers. So another thing that I love are flowers. There you go. And then I saw this one. I did not see the foxes. Now that I'm seeing, I'm so happy I got it. I did see the umbrella, but I figured, oh, how cute, I said. And it has flowers. Oh my goodness, it has more than what I thought. And this is the cutest. It's an umbrella with some foxes. This is a ribbon. These are some leaves, a rose, flowers, more flowers here, and more flowers here. So of course I will die cut into all these and I will show you guys what they look like. And then I've been wanting one of these little boxes. This is a die, and you basically die cut it and you put it together, and it makes it into like a little box, like a little kind of like a pouch. So oh my goodness, can't wait to work with it. And it is the perfect size. I did not want it a big one. I wanted kind of like a medium size. So perfect. Oh my goodness. So I will be coming back in a few days to show you guys a few projects and how I use these. So you guys, like I said, I will link Lifescraft down on the description below. Go over, check them out, and you guys will be wowed. Amazing prices. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.